Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and welcome in a quick tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily change the board order in ClickUp, because many times people, you can have like two things here. So let's say we have the group by status that I created here. So I have the working on it, future steps, stuck, done, on hold. But let's say that on hold we want to have in the beginning, and then we want to have working on it right here and future steps, whatever, that you want to change it. This is the first option. So I go to list. Now I have the status here and I click add or edit options, and you simply move on hold everywhere else, right? So this is how you can edit it. Now I click save. In the moment when I go to board, I can go to group by status, custom field, and I can click status and see it's changed. So this is the first way what you can do. The second way is when, let's say, you're going to click on a board and it's going to be a group by default, which is the status of a list that you have in a ClickUp. And let's say it's launch, execution, planning complete. But let's say I want to have the execution and launch moved. So what I can do, again, I can go to list settings. Here under templates, I can click list settings, list statuses, and then you can simply move the planning and execution. Then you just simply click save. And when you're going to click save, then you're going to have in board and you see it's changed. So these are the two ways how we can change the board, the group by status. Now, if you're going to have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I hope I provided some kind of value, what you can do and how you can like edit it, how you can manage it. So that's pretty much it. Now, if you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in comments. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.